Welcome to WordPress Ultimate Security channel. Today, we're looking at how Ultimate Security stops brute force attacks by limiting failed login attempts. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. To set this up, head over to Settings, select Threat Protection, and click on Brute Force Protection. This brings us to the Login Attempt Limits settings. This feature is a shield for your login page. First, make sure the login limit is enabled. Now, let's look at the specific controls. Here, we've set the limit to 4 attempts by default. This means after 4 wrong guesses, the user is immediately shut out. The initial lockout duration is set to 10 minutes. To catch more aggressive bots, we've set increased login attempts to 6. If they keep trying after the first lockout, the stakes get higher. We've also added a lockout multiplier. This increases the wait time by 1 hour for every subsequent failure, making a brute force attack take years to succeed. Next, we have retries reset duration set to 12 hours. But what if you get locked out? Don't worry. You can generate a recovery URL. Simply click Generate Link, copy it, and store it safely. This is your emergency key to get back into your site instantly if you ever forget your own password. Hit Save Changes, and your new security rules are live. Now that we've configured our brute force protection, let's see it in action from the perspective of an attacker or a user who's forgotten their credentials. Here, an attempt is made to log in as admin. This represents the first of many potential guesses. The first few failures look normal, but Ultimate Security is already counting behind the scenes. As we hit the 4th failed attempt, the limit we set earlier, the system steps in. Immediately, the user is blocked. Instead of another chance to guess, they see a clear notification. Too many failed login attempts. Your account is locked for 10 minutes. If the attacker tries to submit the form again before the time is up, the lockout doesn't just stay active, it gets stricter. Notice the lockout time has now jumped from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. This is the lockout multiplier we enabled, effectively stopping automated bots in their tracks. By exponentially increasing the wait time, you make it mathematically nearly impossible for a hacker to brute force your site. And that is how you turn a vulnerable login page into an ironclad entrance with Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.